To delete a Facebook page, first open the Facebook app and sign into the account that has full admin rights for the page. Then tap your profile photo, tap See All Profiles, and switch into the page you want to remove. Once you're viewing that page, tap the 3 dots, the page menu, under the cover photo, or tap the page's settings icon. Choose Settings or Settings and Privacy, then Settings. Open Page Settings or Facebook page information. Find and tap Access and Control or Deactivation and Deletion. Choose Deactivation and Deletion. Select Permanently Delete. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm and enter your password if asked. Note, the page is then scheduled for removal, and you'll have the short restore window if you change your mind before it becomes permanent. After confirming, the page will be removed and you can exit the app. Subscribe, like, and share for more quick guides.